So today I was playing Steel Dade, a brain rot until I found it the best brain rot in the game, a Nubini pizza. But then the new Yin Yang event, now I was waiting for the mutation for it, but then this ugly guy who didn't look at all like me came. Eto sabatoge mi. But I couldn't let that slide. So I tried, but as we got closer and closer, he kept persisting. He used a B-gun, which made me disoriented. And then it happened, it despawned. But as I was stating my totally undramatic no, I realized he was distracted, so I had a plan, or more like quick thought, but still. Then I did it. I stole the brain rot god, then laughed to myself. Revenge is nice. Now I know this text is pretty delayed, so you just have to watch as I commit my revenge. Karma's a bitch. I ran to his base, stole his brain rot god, and ran as fast as I could. Oh, I just love the cry of victory. Rip for Nubini Pizzanini, still upset, but it's okay.